So we've got American freight trains in this one.
Wow, look at the size of this. This is huge.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, look at this coming up.
So it's got American freight trains on there. Like, oh my god. Can't you believe it?
Wow, look at this coming down here, look.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
This looks cool.
How long did it take to do all this?
What, doing from scratch?
Yeah, the whole lot, yeah.
It's been taking us probably the best part of 15 years. But this is only part of it.
Yeah.
It's only a third of it. It's 3 times bigger.
Where'd you store it?
It's all stored in a shed. Because we can't put it up anywhere because we don't have a building to do it. We hire all once a month.
So put it together like
Put
this.
it together, it's a shed where you run it.
Fantastic. How long does it take to put together?
Well, this one on Friday took us 3 hours.
Not too bad then for the
Not too
size of
bad.
it, yeah.
Yeah, it goes together and breaks down very rapidly.
Right.
In between each of these, there's 2 bolts underneath.
Right.
It's self-locking, just under the self-lock and just come apart.
Wow. It's phenomenal, it really is. This is amazing.